Good morning, everybody. Today, I have here with me the legend who called Ford's share price ultimate bottom, the only helping you get dirty rich investing in electric vehicles without missing a single call for years. Recently, we celebrated together Tesla reaching a $1 trillion market cap, a milestone no one believed just a couple of years ago. Before getting started, let's review Ford's numbers for this quarter, shall we? Ford nearly doubled Wall Street's earnings expectations and slightly beat revenue projections for the third quarter. The results led the automaker to increase its annual guidance for the second time this year. Ford said increased availability of semiconductor chips and higher vehicle shipments in the third quarter enabled it to post higher than expected results. To summarize, adjusted EPS, 51 cents per share adjusted versus 27 cents per share expected. Automotive revenue, $33.21 billion versus $32.54 billion expected. Ford shares jumped by more than 9% during after-hours trading. Now, let's listen to my guest Alex Vieira. How do you explain these numbers?
Thank you for having me today. It's pretty simple. 1 year ago, I recorded on video what Ford's share price would do in the future, leaving instructions for long-term investors. I mentioned what would be the worst-case scenario, whether Ford was a buy or a sell, including Ford's share price target. So, what you see today, I described it 1 year ago, calling Ford's share price ultimate bottom. I accomplished it using the same AI algorithm I have been using to invest in other electric vehicles. I was so confident about Ford's bright future that I included the forecast on the electric vehicles series available in my app.
Remarkable. Since then, Ford's share has rallied 400%, and the best of it, you don't see losers like Cathie Wood's investing.
Of course, our objective is to discuss what pleases the crowd, gathering attention on the press instead of being a professional money manager.
That is so true, Alex. We always had this problem in the US pleasing the crowd.
Precisely, we do not serve the crowd. As far as some ignorance exists to satisfy our desires, 98% of them are absurdly stupid. We invest against them.
Moving on to Ford's guidance, the management is very bullish. Ford's is beating General Motors, their closest rival.
Indeed, Intuitive Code explained the problem with General Motors on our Twitter channel. Warren Buffett has been in GM. He never invested in Ford or Tesla.
I am afraid we have to leave Warren Buffett for another time. So I say goodbye to everyone wishing the best to Ford investors. See you all in the next talk. Don't forget to install Alex's app. He has a free plan and onboarding for everyone.